Hi, my name is Maria Gabriela Pinzón and I'm going to answer the following questions. What is your favorite food? I have two favorite foods. The first is the hamburger. I think it's a complete meal because it has meat, bread, and vegetables. For me, it's a perfect meal because I can eat for lunch or dinner and I'm satisfied for all day. And my second favorite food is the sushi because it has fish and I love the fish and exist many flavors. So I will never tire of eating it. These two meals are my favorite in all the world. Do you prefer home cooking or eating out? Okay, I like both. I like the home cooking because I know what I'm eating and what ingredients it has been prepared. And the season of the house is special. I think isn't the same as the restaurants. However, I like to go out to eat on special occasions, like birthdays of my family or friends. And it is tradition in my family to celebrate the birthdays in different restaurants. How often do you eat out? I usually have to eat outside every day because I have closed all day, but sometimes I prefer to bring the lunch from my home to the university because close to the university I haven't found a restaurant that I like. Where do you usually go when you eat out? Normally, I go to different restaurants. I like to know and try new things, but my favorite restaurants are Wok or Crepes and Waffles because they are cheap and there are variety in the menu. Uh, how much do you usually pay when you eat out? That depends on what restaurant I go because there are some that are very expensive and others cheap. But normally I pay 50,000 pesos. That's the normally bucket when I go outside to eat. Eh, how do you usually go with when you eat out? Usually I go with my friends every weekend. We're going to eat at restaurants. That's our favorite plan. And with my parents, we sometimes go out to eat because my dad loves to cook in the house on weekends. What is the best hamburger restaurant in the city? Okay, for me, the best hamburger restaurant in Bogota is Bicono. They have a hamburger called Bicono. This one has the best flavor in the world. And the last year, this restaurant won the Burger Master Bogota. I really recommend it. Bye, thank you.